this is E66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic. And I hope you're going to enjoy this episode of Premature Evaluation, and keep an eye out for this item when it gets fully reviewed on Ride the Pony Reviews. Hey, remember, this is because you never know. We could have a big item, small item, a little bit of everything here. And as always, thank you. Hi, everyone. It's E66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic. And today we're going to be looking at a ball joint. And it's going to be a premature evaluation. So I got this off Amazon because it had a decent amount of stuff for $46. I'll put the link in it. But this was cheaper than Harbor Freight at that. So I need this for my truck, which yes, I can rent one, but I kind of wanted to go ahead and have my set because I'm looking at getting a project vehicle, so I'll probably be using this more. And I just hate renting the stuff from AutoZone. I don't mind paying money. But if you can believe it, I'm really bad at not finishing my projects on time as I expect. Trust me, it happens a lot more than I care to admit. Kind of why it takes so long for me to get videos out at times. So, I got this. This is ABN, Auto Body. Let me read out what it says. And by the way, this has really good reviews on Amazon. Ball joint service with 4-wheel drive adjusters. Hey, that's a bonus right there. Designed for cars like trucks, press it type ball joints without having to move the controller. For the record, I hate pressing in ball joints and pushing them out. I'd rather just buy a complete assembly and replace it. I have done that, and I will do that every chance I get. Is it more expensive? Is it lazy? Yes, I don't care. C-frames and forcing screw, installation adapter, removal adapter, installation cups, removal tools for CV tubes, 10 piece. Yeah. Let's get this open. Now this has a nice heavy-duty feeling blow molded case. You know, not the, it's not gonna last forever, but most of the time it's meant to spend its life rolling around a tool cart or so. So I mean, it's not the biggest deal. Alright, right off the bat, I already like this more than the AutoZone one. The AutoZone one did not, if I remember correctly, yeah, no, it came with those. It came with like one of these and this, maybe. But it didn't have all these pieces. And honestly, I'm going to go ahead and say this because I've used the OU one. I like this model better. Yes, the paint's a little more jaggedy, but it feels like a better quality paint, and it feels like the casting's much smoother. I could be wrong on this. This could be all made in the same factory in China, which in all honesty, it probably is. But if you buy enough bulk, you can get a discount and a better quality product. Business. So I mean, this company, if I had to guess, they probably import these for a lot of company, and this is one of their house brands, because that's what I would do. I would get some contracts and make your own to sell on the internet. Because why not get all the market share you can? Especially if you're the one providing the product, i.e. monopoly, then it's just better for you, more profit. Anyway, the threading on this is much smoother than I expected for $46. Now, the finish on this has some nicks and gouges, and you can see it's not completely perfect. I mean, oh, by the way, it's all come grease, which is nice to keep it right. I mean, I could probably complain about that, but in all honesty, I'm going to be running impacts. I'm going to be hitting crap with these. These are going to be beat up like all dog as soon as I have them. Now you can go on Amazon and get a full list and see what all they fit, because some things may not fit your vehicle. But I like this. Keep an eye out for a full Ride the Pony review. I'm not gonna go yell out and say go buy it. I mean, it's got a lot of positive reviews on Amazon. Encourage me to buy it. But like I said, this is more expensive and a little bit more use-extensive item. So I don't want to say, yeah, it's fine, go, and then I go to run it down and it just breaks in half. So, just saying. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have a good day. Alright. Alright, thank you for watching this video. The Z66, your underpaid, underinsured, and undertrained mechanic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep an eye out for this video when it comes out on the next, when it gets fully reviewed for Ride the Pony Review. And remember, like, subscribe, comment below. Be sure to tell your mom, your docs, and your grandmother. And remember, these Ray-Bans aren't going to pay for themselves.